If you start reading about the inside of the human head, it won't be long before you come across the idea that the mind absorbs more information than it passes on to the ego. In a seemingly unrelated fact, I went through a big day drinking phase. I'm not ashamed of it, and I'm not proud of it. It's just something that happened. One day when I was at the bar, drinking too much before dinner, and I was staring at the television set, but not focusing on it. ESPN was on. I was worrying about paying bills or I don't know what I was doing, but I was worrying, and I wasn't paying attention. And the TV got all fuzzy because I wasn't focusing on it. I was just staring at it. And all of a sudden, after a few minutes, I was daydreaming about a bunch of wizards fighting a bunch of phoenixes, those firebirds. This kind of snapped me out of my trance. A lot of cars coming. So this kind of snaps me out of my trance, and I focus in on the television. And I see at the bottom, it's running a bunch of scores from a bunch of different basketball games. And the one up on the screen, as I snapped out, was the score for the Wizards versus the Phoenixes. So I guess that happens. I don't know what you're supposed to do when you experience firsthand your brain absorbing information weird without your permission. But I can tell you what I did. I stopped going to the bar in the daytime so much.
Nice to be in orbit.